Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best budget golf club sets that are available on the market for their true quality. These sets offer a great balance between performance and affordability, making them ideal for beginners and intermediate players alike. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Real Spring 6-pack 36-inch backyard golf club set. This set is a bit unconventional compared to the others on this list, as it's designed primarily for backyard practice and casual fun. It includes 6 golf clubs with oversized heads and 12 golf tees, making it a great choice for beginners, kids, or anyone looking to practice in a relaxed environment. The oversized heads are particularly forgiving, making it easier for new players to make solid contact with the ball. In terms of design and build quality, the Real Spring clubs are constructed with lightweight metal shafts and sturdy plastic club heads. The rubber grips feature a non-slip texture for added comfort and control. While the materials are not on the same level as premium golf clubs, they are durable enough for backyard use and casual play. The lightweight design is especially appealing for younger players or those who want to avoid the strain of heavier clubs. However, this set is limited in its application. It's not something you'd want to take to a professional golf course, as it lacks the performance and precision needed for serious play. That said, its low weight, oversized club heads, and family-friendly design make it perfect for indoor and outdoor practice sessions. If you're someone looking to enjoy a relaxed golf experience at home, or if you want to introduce kids to the game, this set offers good value. Pros include its lightweight design and oversized club heads for easier hits, while the cons are its limited use for professional or competitive play. At number 4, we have the men's Callaway complete set of golf clubs with Callaway bag. This set includes everything you need to get started, such as the Callaway Edge Irons 6SW, a 460cc titanium driver, a 3-wood, a 5 hybrid, and a premium Odyssey white hot putter. The addition of the automatic stand bag makes this a convenient all-in-one package for golfers. It's an excellent option for intermediate players who want a reliable set without breaking the bank. The design and build quality are what you'd expect from a brand like Callaway. Top-notch. The irons have steel shafts for control and precision, while the woods and hybrid clubs feature graphite shafts for maximum distance. The Odyssey white hot putter is a standout feature, offering exceptional feel and accuracy on the greens. The bag is lightweight yet durable, with ample storage for accessories and personal items. In terms of performance, this set is a step up from beginner-level gear. The clubs are forgiving and provide a good combination of distance and control, making them suitable for improving your game. However, the price point and the specific club selection may not appeal to absolute beginners. Pros include the high-quality materials and the inclusion of a premium putter, while the cons are the higher price range and the fact that it might be overkill for casual players. Overall, this set is best suited for golfers who are committed to improving their skills and want a dependable set of clubs. Coming in at number 3, we have the Precise M5 Men's Complete Golf Clubs Package Set. This is a fantastic option for golfers looking for a balance of affordability and performance. The set includes a 460cc titanium driver, a number 3 wood, a 21-degree hybrid, 5 PW stainless steel irons, a putter, a deluxe stand bag, and 3 head covers. It's a well-rounded package designed to help players of all skill levels improve their game. The design and build quality are impressive for the price. The driver's titanium composite construction allows for explosive distance off the tee, while the stainless steel irons offer excellent control and precision. The putter has a well-balanced feel and an effective aiming mechanism, making it easier to sink those crucial putts. The included stand bag is spacious and stylish, with multiple compartments and a comfortable carry strap. In terms of performance, this set delivers where it counts. The clubs are forgiving on off-center hits, making them ideal for beginners and intermediate players alike. The hybrid is particularly versatile, offering a great alternative to long irons. On the downside, the set's durability may not match that of higher-end brands, and the grips may require replacement sooner than expected. Pros include the affordable price, well-rounded club selection, and forgiving design, while cons include the slightly lower build quality compared to premium sets. Overall, the Precise M5 is an excellent choice for players looking to get the most value for their money. At number 2, we have the Callaway Golf Women's Strata Complete Set. Designed specifically for women golfers, this 11-piece set includes a driver, 5 wood, 5 hybrid, 7 and 9 irons, a sand wedge, a mallet putter, a lightweight stand bag, and 3 head covers. Callaway has tailored this set to deliver maximum performance and ease of use, making it an ideal choice for beginner and intermediate players alike. The clubs feature graphite shafts, which are lightweight and perfect for generating swing speed without requiring excessive effort. The driver and fairway wood are designed for distance and forgiveness, while the irons and sand wedge provide control and precision around the greens. The mallet putter, with its alignment aids, is a standout feature for improving accuracy on the green. The durable stand bag is not only lightweight, but also comes with multiple pockets, including a cooler pocket, making it both practical and stylish. Performance-wise, this set ticks all the right boxes for women who are new to the game or looking to improve their skills. The clubs are forgiving and easy to hit, ensuring a confidence-boosting experience on the course. Pros include the lightweight design, forgiving club heads, and the inclusion of a high-quality bag, while cons include its slightly higher price point and the limited club selection compared to larger sets. Overall, this set is perfect for women golfers who want a reliable, beginner-friendly set that doesn't compromise on quality. Finally, at our number 1 spot, we have the Callaway Golf Men's Strata Complete Set. This 12-piece set is one of the top-selling golf club sets for a reason. It offers incredible value and performance for beginner and intermediate players. The set includes a driver, 3 wood, 5 hybrid, 6 to 9 irons, a pitching wedge, a mallet putter, a stand bag, and 2 head covers. With this comprehensive package, you'll have everything you need to hit the course with confidence. The build quality is excellent, as you'd expect from Callaway. The driver features a lightweight 460cc titanium head with an oversized sweet spot, making it forgiving on off-center hits. The stainless steel irons provide a great combination of control and forgiveness, while the 5 hybrid serves as a versatile option for long-distance shots. The mallet putter, equipped with alignment aids, ensures accuracy and consistency on the green. The included stand bag is lightweight, durable, and equipped with ample storage space. When it comes to performance, the Strata set shines. The clubs are forgiving and easy to hit, making them perfect for players who are just starting out or looking to improve their game. The variety of clubs ensures you're prepared for a wide range of shots, from tee to green. Pros include the high-quality construction, comprehensive club selection, and excellent forgiveness, while the only con is the slightly higher price compared to other beginner sets. Overall, the Callaway Golf Men's Strata Complete Set is a fantastic investment for anyone serious about taking up golf. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.